Imagine it's 1999. Your neighbor quits his job because he's making thousands buying internet stocks. Every news channel says the internet will change the world. Everyone wants in. For a while, they're right. Then the bubble bursts. Billions of dollars disappear. Hundreds of companies vanish. But a few survivors, Amazon for example, go on to become some of the greatest investments in history. Now fast forward to today. Replace the word internet with artificial intelligence. The excitement feels familiar. The headlines are everywhere. The money is pouring in. And that's exactly why investors need to be careful. Because the biggest mistake everyone is making with AI stocks isn't what you think. A few months ago, I noticed something interesting. Almost every day, a company would announce something related to AI. AI-powered platform, AI assistant, generative AI. The market would get excited. The stock would jump. Social media exploded with comments saying, "This is the next NVIDIA. This stock will 10x." But then I asked one simple question. What exactly changed in the business? Did profits increase? Did revenue suddenly explode? Or did the company simply add two letters, A and I, to its presentation? That's when I realized something important. Many investors weren't buying businesses, they were buying excitement. History has taught us this lesson many times. During every technological revolution, people correctly predict the future. But they invest in the wrong companies. Railroads changed transportation, cars changed the world, the internet changed everything. Yet thousands of companies disappeared along the way. The technology won. Many investors didn't. AI could follow the same path. The companies most likely to win aren't always the ones making the loudest announcements. They're the ones quietly building businesses. Businesses with billions in cash, millions of loyal customers, massive amounts of valuable data, and the ability to turn AI into real profits. That's why investors continue to watch companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Broadcom. Not because they mention AI, but because AI can meaningfully grow their earnings for years. So what's the biggest mistake everyone is making? They're asking, which AI stock will make me rich? Instead of asking, which company will still be growing profits 10 years from now? Those are two very different questions, and the answer can completely change your investment results. Artificial intelligence may become one of the greatest technological revolutions in history. There's little doubt about that. But remember, a revolutionary technology doesn't guarantee every company will succeed. The biggest fortunes aren't made by chasing headlines. They're made by owning exceptional businesses and giving them time to grow. So before you buy your next AI stock, don't just follow the hype. Follow the fundamentals. Because in investing, the companies that create the most value are usually the ones making the least noise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more long-term investing insights. I'll see you in the next one.